So a friend of mine posted his problem in Excel that he has this kind of data and he wants to build a formula which calculates these numbers automatically. Technically speaking, all you need to do is you have to add equal sign in the beginning of these numbers, but you cannot do this for too many records. So he was looking for a shortcut solution. So here is my solution. I'll use concatenate formula. Concatenate. This is a function which combines two or more string together, two or more text together. So our first text should be equal to sign. So equal to sign should be in double quotation mark. I'll type equal to sign in double quotation mark and comma, and the text 2 is nothing but the text which is given to us, that is 1 plus 1. So I'll press Ctrl plus enter to complete the formula entry and be on the same cell. Now I'll fill it down with the help of fill down handle. This is what I got. Now I'll right click, copy, then again right click and click on this 1 2 3 icon, or I can press V, or I can go to paste special and click on values. We are almost done now. The last final step, very important step, is go to data and text to columns. Delimited is okay. Next, let this tab be checked, then next, and let this be general, all default, no need to change anything. Click finish. So now you see that equal to is added to the text whatever is given, and it is calculating the result also. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I wish you happy Raksha Bandhan. See you soon.